The typical process from start to finish for a residential home starts with meeting the consultant, which should only take 1 to 2 hours. From there would be signing an agreement and getting someone out there for a site audit. That typically takes 1 week and getting the results back. After we get the results back and we get the green light from the homeowner, we then go into permitting and scheduling. That will then take another week to a week and a half, and from there we'll go into installation. The installation process should only take 1 to 2 days, and after installation you'll have inspection. After inspection you go to interconnection, which depending on which utility company you're in can take another couple weeks as well. So from start to finish we like to say 1 to 2 months.